I thank you for coming into my woodshop, which at the moment is my front door. We have a door that's about 102 years old, old style. How many doorknobs and locks has this guy seen? And so I'm taking and I'm having to custom install. It's not pretty at the moment, but I'll make it pretty, trust me. That's what we do at SC Custom Designs. So I had a little bit of a challenge. I've had this challenge in the past where you're trying to make a hole where a hole already exists. Okay, I think you know where I'm going with this. So we got to bore out a cavity so I can reset this guy in. Okay, see, this guy has to be reset in there, and so I have to take this Forster bit, and I have to, now you know what's going to happen if that middle tip can't seat on something like so, right? It's going to go all over the place. Now I've done this in the past where it really doesn't look pretty, and it can be dangerous too. The drill gets out of control and everything skips around. How did I overcome that? So this time I thought a little bit more about it, and I came up with a solution. I went down to my bandsaw and basically I made a plug, okay, out of a piece of stock that I had lying around. And so you can see that I cut that plug out. Now we'll do that because that works. And then we simply take the plug and we hammer it in like so. I'm going to go ahead and set this down. Hopefully everything will be fine. I apologize for all the shaking and business that's going on here. All right. So voila, here is the finished project, right? A perfect circle where it needs to be. All right. And so essentially you're going to take this plug, you're going to move it over to the other side in a less primitive fashion, like this. Whoops. Okay. So there we go. It's really difficult to work like this. Appreciate your patience. And there we go. All right, so now we achieved the goal. So we took the drill, which I have now lost. There it is. And we're able to seat this right in the middle, right, and achieve the goal. Now, because you have somewhere for the middle of the Forster bit to sink in, now you're not going to have to worry. And now let's look at the finished product. If we can do this gracefully. Now it sits in there. Hopefully you can still see that. I just ran out of daylight way sooner than I wanted to. Hopefully you can still see that. So that's the tip of the day. And thanks for watching. SC Custom Designs, as we overcome one issue at a time.